how to navigate the Families module. Welcome to this video guide on navigating the Families module. In the Families module, let's explore each column of the table together. The first column displays the family's last name, followed by a column for guardians. If a family has multiple guardians, all will be listed here. You can email a guardian directly from this screen by clicking the email icon. This will open a menu with the guardian's email pre-filled, allowing you to add your message and send it easily. The next column lists the children associated with the family. Following that, the status column shows each child's registration status. Various status options are available. You can filter by status to find children who are pending, which means they've applied for registration, but you have not yet confirmed or completed their registration. It means they are either currently in the process of onboarding, awaiting confirmation, or they have been waitlisted. Current means they have an active registration as of today's date, while future indicates a registration date in the future. Inactive children have no registration record at all, and past children have had registrations that have ended. Use the question mark icon for definitions of each status. The next column pertains to substatuses. The question mark icon here also provides details on various substatuses such as waitlisted children or children who have been denied enrollment. The next column, info tags, are used to flag important information on a child's profile. For example, tags denote allergies or medical conditions, or if someone is flagged for pickup. The onboarding column has filters like basic info, which is applied if the family's profile is missing required basic details such as a child's or guardian's name. The legal guardian tag means a legal guardian's required information is missing. Non-guardian emergency contact info is also required, with exact required info varying by region. In the onboarding column, use the question mark icon for tag definitions. Hover over tags for details and filter to check compliance, ensuring no essential info is missing for any of your families. The next columns show the programs a child is registered in. Next, you will see if they have any adjustments like meal services on their account, and then you will see the family balance information. This snapshot view of family balances includes personal balances from family sponsors and third-party balances like government subsidies. You can filter balances to check how much an account is overdue at a glance. In this example, one family has invoices overdue by 2 months. Keep in mind that while the Families module is great for spotting overdue balances on the spot, you'll handle most of your day-to-day financial tasks over in the Finance module. And with that, you've wrapped up your quick tour of the Families module. Just remember, whenever you need to dive into the deeper details, you can view any family's full profile simply by clicking into it.